How to add apps to desktop on Windows 11. Let's go. To add default icons to your desktop, simply right-click on the desktop and select Personalize. Next, click on Themes, and on the right-hand side, you'll find Desktop Icon Settings. Simply click on it. Check the icons you want to appear on your desktop, such as this PC, Recycle Bin, Network, or Control Panel. After selecting them, click Apply, then OK. You'll now see these icons added to your desktop. If you want to add other apps like Paint, Roblox, or any installed program, just right-click on the app and select Open File Location. Now, right-click on the app shortcut, go to Send To, and click Desktop, Create Shortcut. As you can see, the app icon has been added to your desktop. So that's how you can easily add apps to the desktop in Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.